My husband brought me to Target and walked around the whole store with me and didn't even ask me to leave one time. So here's a haul of what we got. All right, first things first. One of our pumpkin buckets broke last year, so Koba ended up getting this one. They didn't have any like plastic pumpkin buckets, but she found this one and she's a witch for Halloween, so it just kind of worked out. I also spent $299, which I think is pretty good considering I go to Target like a couple times a year. All right, so let's get into it. I didn't even know these made it in the cart, but okay. Barbecue Doritos. I forgot my husband liked those. All right, I got this color your own tablecloth cover for my little daycare Halloween party. You didn't. And then I also got some balloons for our daycare Halloween party. We are kind of in need of some new hats, or mittens, gloves, whatever I'm trying to say. I think my husband picked out these ones. And then I think he got these ones too. My girls both picked the same mittens. Isn't that yay for me? My kids like mittens better usually. Oh, these ones were not supposed to make it in the cart. Oh well. Okay, we got an extra pair. Oh well, that's okay. My youngest picked out these. And then he also got a hat because he was kind of low on hats. And we got him like a size 4-5 coat last spring on clearance. And it is way too big on him. So we had to, 5T is smaller than that. So we got him a 5T coat. That's what he picked. Excited about that. It's a pretty nice coat. It's a 3-in-1 and it was $40. I didn't think that was terrible for a nice winter coat.
Yeah, it's a pretty nice one.
It is a pretty nice one. My husband and I thought it was time to get new pillows. So these are Cool Touch Gel Memory Foam pillows. We'll see how we like them. We got 2 of those. I think they were like $30, something like that. All right, every year I make like little goodie bags for my daycare kids for Halloween. So I got some applesauce for those. I also got these little Halloween granola bars for them. I really try not to give them candy because I know that they get plenty of candy on Halloween. And I think that their parents would appreciate them getting more like snacky things than that they'd actually want to give their kids versus like a bunch of candy. So yeah. Also just for Halloween this week, I grabbed a couple of fun paper plates and some fun napkins. All right, they were all out of like eyeball sprinkle sort of things. And I like to have eyeballs for certain things that I make on Halloween. So I got this cupcake mix just for the eyeballs. Yeah. And then we also do decorate sugar cookies. So I just got these candies and icings for on the sugar cookies. Oh, I also grabbed this Witch's Brew Alani for me on Halloween, or maybe the day after Halloween. Maybe I'll need it more that day. All right, and then for my daycare kids goodie bags, I also got these veggie chips, ghosts and bats. I thought those were really cute. My husband actually found those. And then these are the little goodie bags I found. I got them in like the gift wrap section. They have like little candy corns on, and I think it was like a 3-pack of them for $1.99. So those are like perfect size for what I wanted. We're getting to the end of it. I didn't get a whole lot, really. I love this strawberries and cream Dr. Pepper, and the 0 sugar one tastes great to me. And then my husband has actually been talking about getting one of these fans for our bedroom. We like to sleep in like super cold. We're like one of those people that like cuddle all night long. So we prefer to sleep like with our room like ice cold if we could. Like during the winter when it's like 30 below, we crack our window open and that's like great for us. Anyway, this fan happened to be on sale for $8.99. So that was just like a score that we happened to find. And I think that was all I got. Wow, I did get a pillow for myself. Otherwise it's mostly stuff for my kids and husband and daycare. Oh, I got myself an energy drink too. But yeah, that's our Target haul for this time.